Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do beautiful woolen flower using wool, beads and fork. First thing to do is to wrap around the wool on the fork for about 25 times. Wrap smoothly. After that, attach needle and pass the needle right at the middle of the fork and wrap for about 3 times. Then pick 2 pearls and attach right there. Turn the fork at the back and sew tightly to avoid unraveling. At one end of the fork, sew tightly and then pull the design out from the fork. Do this design for about 5 pieces, then join the 5 pieces together to make a beautiful woolen flower. Here, you tie the 5 together, tie firmly. Make a knot at the back or 2, then cut off the excess end. Take the side that have the needle and then pick a medium-sized bead and attach right at the middle of the design so that everything will be beautiful and seamless. Thank you all for watching, and I'll surely see you all in my next one. Bye!